Welcome everyone to our weekly video commentary for the week starting for 16th March 2020 to 20 March 2020. The market is going through a lot of uncertainty regarding the coronavirus outbreak around the world. And today's morning, we have seen a surprise rate cut from Federal Reserve to bring the interest rate at 0%. So overall, there's a lot of movement we may expect in the price. Uh, if you look at the chart of Dow Jones, S&P 500 and other stock indices, they have already faced a massive collapse. However, the currency market, especially USD, GBP, USD and other major pairs, they are not affected that much as if you go through the volatility index. So that is a good sign that the outbreak of coronavirus is not affecting the Forex market like it already affected the other markets. So first pair we will look is, as usual, the Euro USD. If we look at the chart, we can see a massive upside movement from here to near about 1.15, but market failed to get momentum above this level and sellers become in the action and market falls below the 1.1200. So currently the market is between 1.1200 and 1.100, this within this 200 pips. So we're expecting the price to get some correction uh, towards 1.12 in, especially on intraday chart. If you go to H4, we will wait for some correction at this level, and after the correction happens, if the price shows any uh, bullish rejection at this area, we will look forward to sell it with our target would be 1.10. So the uncertainty, within the uncertainty, the thing may happen, market will massively fall down to 1.1 and show some bearish rejection at this level, and in that case we will look forward to buy with the target of 1.12. So it depends on how market is reacting. It's already being in 20 MA gravitational force that push the price down and daily chart, and market is just hovering at this level and in the middle of these two levels. So in that case we need to wait, we need to see what market do, whether at 1.12 or 1.1. So here comes the GBP USD. If you see the GBP USD price, there's been a lot of correction and market after the daily rejection at 1.3172, market managed to fall down to 1.23. So currently we're expecting the price to reach 1.12 and with some correction, and this massive bearish pressure we're expecting this will end uh, towards 1.12 with some corrective momentum, and if this shows, we will look forward to buy from there. And for buy, where our primary target would be 1.2538, about 400 pips. So it also depends what market did, and other scenario might happen. The 20 EMA and the price is, there's been a massive gap between these two. So as mean reversion, price may retrace higher without touching 1.12. So if this happens, we will look forward to sell after price reach at this level 1.2745, or market get rejection from the 20 EMA. In that case, it will increase the higher possibility to touch 1.20 in the coming days. So next pair is NZD-USD. If you see NZD-USD and all Asian currencies are massive uncertainty going through. and last week we have seen a massive uh, exhaustion happened, but the daily candle didn't show any surprising information. Rather than it ended up with an indecision bar. If you look at the price at here, the actual movement is only for 20 pips, and all of the others are nothing but a spike. So what we should do in this week, we will wait for the price to reach 1.0.6200, and we will look for it to sell towards the today's low 0.597. And as the market is going through uncertainty and NZD is facing some pressure, there's a higher possibility that it will weaker again. So here comes the AUDUSD. The same things happens for AUDUSD that was happening in NZDUSD. So in this pair, we were looking for some corrective momentum, and we're expecting the price to reach 0.6462 before making any further decision. That is a technical perspective of this pair, but as the market may move with the news of coronavirus outbreak, if we see some good signs that is the affected people are getting well or the affection is getting weaker, then we will wait actually for 0.6462. On other case, the any uncertain move in here we will avoid. So USD Swiss franc has a nice bearish pressure at the breakout of 0.9628 with a correction and massive selling pressure. Currently, the price is facing the gravitational dynamics resistance at 20 EMA. So we are expecting the price to reach at least 0.9628, and if price shows a bearish rejection, we will look forward to sell. In that case, our target would be the nearest low 0.9190. So a next pair is USD CAD. USD CAD has gone through massive uncertainty and bullish pressure, and market didn't even fill up the gap here. And currently the issues regarding the oil between Saudi Arabia and Russia is making the USD CAD price volatile more. So it is the high time to see the USD CAD price will break above 1.40, and it will continue further upside. So we will be looking forward to buy in USD CAD, but it would be better if we see the price in better discount. So in intraday chart, we need to find some this intraday event levels, and if price comes at this level again and shows bearish rejection, we will look forward to buy with a target of 1.14. The next currency pair is USD/JPY. If we go to daily chart, the USD/JPY after the massive selling pressure, market is facing a lot of buying pressure at this level. If we see market fill up the gap very strongly and get some correction at this level in decision form and a massive bullish candle, so we will be on buy side in this pair. And if we see the price to come on 06.50 again with some bearish rejection on intraday H4 or H1 at least, we will look forward to buy with our primary target 108.50 here 200 pips, and later on 110.28. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to follow money management very strongly during the uncertainty. And we are expecting the price market will recover soon, at least after this month. Until then, it's a trader's duty to save the capital. If you have the capital, the market is always open to give you the opportunity. So take care, everyone. Thank you.